Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Zendesk AI, a platform that's redefining the way businesses interact with their customers. Whether you're a small startup or a large corporation, Zendesk AI offers tools designed to enhance efficiency, reduce response times, and provide personalized customer service experiences. In this review, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about Zendesk AI and find out if it's worth investing in for 2025. Let's get started. At its core, Zendesk AI is a customer service and engagement solution powered by cutting-edge artificial intelligence. Its main goal is to simplify and improve the way businesses interact with customers. In 2025, customer expectations are higher than ever. People want fast, efficient, and personalized responses, and that's exactly where Zendesk AI excels. But what sets Zendesk AI apart? It's not just another automation tool. It's designed to work in harmony with your support teams. Think of it as a co-pilot for your agents, automating repetitive tasks, intelligently routing tickets, and even helping agents craft better responses. For example, if a customer sends an email about a billing issue, Zendesk AI can analyze the content, classify the issue, and route it to the appropriate department in seconds, all without human intervention. This saves time, reduces errors, and ensures that customers get help faster. What's more, Zendesk doesn't just focus on the technical side of things. Its AI is built to feel human. By leveraging machine learning and natural language processing, Zendesk AI aims to create interactions that feel genuine even when a bot is involved. In a world where customer experience can make or break a business, this level of personalization is invaluable. Now let us talk about the main features of Zendesk AI. AI-powered automation. Automation is the heart of Zendesk AI. From ticket routing to task management, the platform takes over repetitive work so your agents can focus on what really matters, solving complex issues. For instance, Zendesk automation tools can handle ticket triaging in a fraction of time it would take a human team, potentially saving hours every day. Personalized interactions. Zendesk AI doesn't believe in one-size-fits-all responses. By analyzing customer data and past interactions, it tailors responses to meet individual needs. This not only makes customers feel valued, but also improves retention rates. AI copilots. One of the most innovative features is the AI copilot functionality. It acts as an assistant for your human agent, providing suggestions, auto-completing responses, and even flagging potential issues in real time. This ensures your team works smarter, not harder. Omni-channel support. Whether your customers are reaching out via email, live chat, or social media, Zendesk brings all these channels into a single unified dashboard. This seamless integration ensures that no customer query slips through the cracks. Advanced analytics and insights. Zendesk analytics tools gives you a clear picture of how your team is performing and what your customers are experiencing. It's not just about measuring response times, it's about understanding patterns, identifying bottlenecks, and continuously improving your service. These features make Zendesk AI a comprehensive tool for businesses looking to stay ahead in customer service innovation. Now let us talk about the pricing. Here we'll talk numbers. Zendesk AI offers several pricing tiers catering to businesses of all sizes. First, there's a support team plan. At $19 per agent per month, this plan is perfect for starters. The Suite Team plan. At $55 per agent per month, this plan is perfect for small teams looking for essential support tools. The Suite Professional plan. At $115 per agent per month, this plan is tailored for larger teams with complex needs. And there's of course a Suite Enterprise, where you can speak to the experts to customize a solution that fits to your needs. While the pricing may seem steep, The return on investment can be significant for businesses that fully utilize its capabilities. However, small businesses with limited budgets may find the costs challenging. Let's talk about the pros and cons of using Zendesk AI. First, the pros. Comprehensive features. Zendesk AI offers a wide range of tools that cover every aspect of customer service. And recently included is the support with voice for the AI era. Ease of use. The intuitive interface makes it easy for teams to get started without extensive training. Scalability. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, Zendesk can grow with you. How about the cons? High costs. The pricing structure may not be ideal for smaller companies. Learning curve. While the interface is user-friendly, the vast array of features can be overwhelming for new users. Add-on costs. Some advanced features require additional payments, which can add up over time. But overall, Zendesk AI is a robust platform, but it's not without its challenges. Here's a big question. Is Zendesk AI worth it in 2025? For businesses that prioritize customer experience and have the resources to invest in a premium tool, Zendesk AI is undoubtedly a game changer. Its ability to automate, personalize, and optimize customer service processes can lead to happier customers and more efficient teams. However, it's not for everyone. If your budget is tight or your support needs are basic, you might find that the costs outweigh the benefits. That's why it's essential to evaluate your specific requirements before committing. For those who can leverage its full potential, Zendesk AI offers tremendous value. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Freshdesk, HubSpot Service Hub, and Intercom. That's it for today's review on Zendesk AI. I hope you were able to figure out if it's worth it in 2025. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.